My name is Hägglund, I'm business lead at Fellowmind, responsible for our AI development. This demo video will show you how we utilize Microsoft Copilot Studio and MCP servers to achieve automation when it comes to emission calculations. So the setup is the following. Over in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, we have purchase order details. To automate the transfer of purchase order details to Microsoft Sustainability Manager as emission activity records with the correct emission factor and spend type mapped to them, we have built an agent in Copilot Studio. Its name is Emission AI Agent by Fellowmind. If we take a look at the agent to begin with, we have an automatic trigger. So when a message is received in the service bus, meaning when the purchase order is received in finance operations, the agent will be triggered. We have given it tools to use. So we have the Dynamics 365 ERP MCP provided by Microsoft, which is utilized to get details about the item that is purchased. And we have developed our own Emission AI MCP by Fellowmind, which is capable of providing the functionalities listed in the tool. So we have two tools available in that MCP. One called Get Emission Factor, and the other one, Create Emission Activity. Let's set up and see how it works. Over in Finance Operations, we will go ahead and receive the product or receive the purchase order. And go over to our agent and see, has it been running in the background. Here we see, right now, we have an automated flow that has run. If we preview the flow, you can see what it did. It was triggered from the service bus. It utilized Dynamics 365 ERP MCP server to get find release products. And it utilized the Emission AI MCP by Fellowmind to find emission factors. And lastly, it created the emission activity record in Sustainability Manager. As this is now running autonomous, we don't really see much output from the agent, but we can have a look at the transcript where we can see that a summary of actions that the agent did. Looked up the item details for material number 3000 and found the name of it, refrigerator. Then went ahead and called other MCP tooling to find what is the emission factor, which is mapped to manufacturer of electrical machinery and apparatus, and it created an emission activity record in Sustainability Manager. So now if we go over to Sustainability Manager, refresh this screen, we should be seeing that we have gotten a refrigerator. We open it up, you can see purchase order details, the name, and the correct spend type and the correct cost coming from finance and operations. The same agent can also be used in a user interactive mode. So if I just send a trigger manually to it with some order details and some price, it should do the same steps. So by utilizing MCP servers, we have built an Emission AI Agent by Fellowmind, which can automate for emission calculations with Sustainability Manager. Thank you and have a nice day.